name is Rachita Mathur, and today I am going to present on a topic what are some legal questions that may be asked by my client under Surrogacy Regulation Bill 2020. So first legal question that may be asked by my client can be: first, right of a child. Is there any right is being provided to a surrogate child under Surrogacy Regulation Bill 2020? Then my answer will be yes. Under Surrogacy Regulation Bill 2020, rights of a surrogate child is being provided, and a child born out of such surrogate procedure shall be the biological child of the intending couple or of the intending woman, and the surrogate child shall be entitled to all the rights and privileges that are available to a natural child. Second, there is also a prohibition on giving birth to a surrogate child for the purpose of sale. That is, if a prohibition is given that if such surrogacy is being done for the purpose of sale, or to abandon that child, or to disown that child, or any other form of exploitation, then the surrogacy will not be provided and it will be considered as illegal, and certain penalties will be issued if such practice if such thing is being done. Second question can be what can be the eligibility criteria in case of intending couple. So the answer is, the eligibility criteria of that intending couple can be: first, they should have a certificate of essentiality and certificate of eligibility, which is issued by the appropriate authority. Certificate of essentiality will be issued if the certificate of proven infertility one or both the member of intending couple from district medical board. That is, when the district medical board declared that yes, one of that intending couple is suffering from infertility, then the certificate of essentiality may be granted. Second ground can be: an order of parentage and custody of a surrogate child was passed by a magistrate court. Third, if if a surrogate mother suffers from post delivery complications, then the insurance coverage shall be provided to such surrogate mother for a period of 16 months. Next, a certificate of eligibility will be issued by an appropriate authority when it is proved that both the intending couple are the Indian citizen and are married for about at least 5 years, and the age of such intending couple is, in case of wife, the age should be her age should be between 23 to 25 years old, and in case of husband, the age limit of such intending husband shall be between 26 to 55 years old. Next, both the wife and the husband, they both don't have any surviving child. That is, it must be proved that yes, the intending parent has no surviving child, and if they have a surviving child, then certain exceptions are being provided that if a child, whether suffering from mentally or physically challenged, it must be proved that such child is suffering from mentally or physically challenged, or whether that child is suffering from any factual disease or not. Second, the eligibility criteria in case of a surrogate mother. Here, a mother has to obtain a certificate of eligibility from an appropriate authority that yes, she is a surrogate mother and she is also the close relative of an intending couple, and she is a married woman and she has a surviving child of her own, and the age of such surrogate mother is between 25 to 35 years old, and she is a surrogate mother only once in her lifetime, and she possesses a certificate of medical and psychological fitness for surrogacy, that yes, she is fit for such surrogacy, and she can provide her own gamete for surrogacy. That's all. Thank you.